What's up, y'all? It's your girl Vibrant Skies here, back with another video, giving y'all a quick look of the day, step by step. Right now I'm just applying my moisturizer because that's what I do before I begin to apply my makeup. You want to have clean, fresh skin. Okay, you guys, so now I am on the part where I'm concealing, doing my eye makeup and all that good stuff. I love a good golden eye. That's my favorite. If y'all know me, y'all know that's my go-to. So nice little golden eye on there. And now I'm gonna go in with my lip liner. I'm using a brown shade and it has a little bit of glitter in it. Yeah, I thought that was so dope. It was like $2. Then y'all know how to give me some lashes, little $2 lashes just to go on, because the lashes I ordered, they're not in yet, so I still have to wait for my order. But then you know I gotta have to be some on beauty, baby. And this is Detox. So y'all make sure y'all go get some lip gloss, because y'all, it's the best. That's my favorite one. That's literally my favorite one. I'm gonna have to get her whole kit and literally see if I see one that's better than Detox, because I just don't know. Nude lips have always been my thing, and they always will have a special place in my heart. And you know, you got to make sure all the corners are nice and filled in with the lips, baby. You already know. Yes, get into it. But yeah, y'all, that's it for that. I'm done. Wait, nope. This head, Lord, I thought I was done. Y'all, let me go ahead and get this afro situated, because y'all know that's a whole nother thing in itself. I was really getting all the nooks and crannies out of everything, because it was all jangled and tangled up, child. And I couldn't be around here looking like that. You have to get in there deep. Get in there. Get all the way in there. But yeah, I'm not really doing too much to my hair, y'all. Just real simple. No product. I didn't want to put any more product. I had ordered a couple days ago. Anyway, y'all, I found these earrings and they was 100% natural. Who you know? Who else? Your girl. 100%. Stop playing. But yeah, y'all, this look is super cute, super golden, super neutral. And y'all, my aunt saw me yesterday. She was like, when you got out the car, it just gave natural goddess. Like those portraits you see, like that's you for real. Like you real life, a real life portrait. I was like, thank you, girl. You already know. See y'all in the next video.